Hello, my name is Mason Holmes, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about commercial real estate. On this opening slide, I've included a picture of one of the early McDonald's franchises. I think most people look at McDonald's and think that they have been successful and they are rich because they have franchised a mediocre hamburger joint. The reality is that McDonald's is one of the world's largest commercial real estate owners. They franchise their restaurants, but they own the real estate that those franchises are built on, and that's what makes them rich. A definition of commercial real estate is non-residential property used for business. These properties include, but are not limited to, stores, malls, buildings, and industrial parks. Another important note to help you better understand commercial real estate is that it is one of the 4 core investment asset classes. As mentioned before with McDonald's, there is the potential to make a lot of money in commercial real estate. Current situation. In the commercial real estate industry last year there were 35,000 companies, and those companies generated $35 billion in revenue. Within the commercial real estate industry there is ever-changing demand. There are different factors that affect the market, one of them including the economy, and there is a great opportunity for growth. An important thing to remember is that commercial real estate is an investment, and just like any investment, there is risk associated with the investment as well as the possibility for high returns. Future possibilities. Future possibilities included in the commercial real estate industry are leasing non-residential buildings, structures, and land, providing real estate and appraisal and valuation services, leasing mini warehouses and storage units, providing real estate asset management service, renting non-residential real estate for others, commercial, industrial, apartment, and municipal building construction, selling and buying real estate for others, providing real estate listing services, providing property management services, and providing real estate consulting services. Products and services. There are many jobs that are within the industry of commercial real estate, and there are also many jobs and industries related to commercial real estate. Some of these include construction, sales and brokerage, residential leasing, property and asset management and consulting, commercial leasing, and other activities. I hope you've been able to learn a little bit more about commercial real estate and be able to better understand it and the part that it plays in the world that we live in. Thank you.